With increased wildfires in Montana and around the country, air quality is becoming a major health issue. That's why health officials here in Butte want to be proactive in preparing people for the wildfire season.
It's going to be a public health issue that we're going to be facing, and most likely we're going to be facing it earlier in the year and just a longer season.
The Butte Health Department, along with the EPA, is putting together an informational plan that people will soon be able to access at airnow.gov to get updates on air quality, but also what they can do to protect themselves.
In the plan is actually how to set up a clean indoor airspace, and that's like using air purifiers, how to do it. Also just how to protect yourself when you're out.
With hotter, drier weather and drought, wildfires have increased substantially in recent years, with more than 7 million acres burning nationally last year in wildfires. Over 900,000 acres burnt in Montana last year.
We can be affected by wildfires that are in other states and can cause us to have real poor air quality also.
I'm inside the air monitoring station that's located here in the Greeley neighborhood in Butte, and these are the machines that measure the amount of particulates that are in the air, which can be dangerous to people's health.
And that particulate will go deep into your lungs, into your respiratory system, and cause some very adverse health effects, especially to people who are like very young, the elderly.
In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.